Okay, welcome back. This is the second iteration of the Sonos unboxing series I've got going on. This is the Sonos Move in white because they didn't have it in black. Quite interesting. Obviously, colour of the box changes. We've got like a basically just cardboard looking box, and obviously a picture of the white one on front. This is the one that I was most interested in, to be honest, because the other two are mains powered, a little bit boring. This one's obviously got a little dock, which is quite exciting, and it's wireless, and it's obviously hence the Move, but you can move about with it, which is obviously more my style. As much as a home speaker is cool, I'm much more into portable speakers, and I'm sure you can see that from my videos. So we've got another Sonos welcome pack, just like we did on the Sonos one. Obviously the unboxing experience is probably going to be relatively similar. We've got a little manual which says Move on it, and another, obviously, so just a setup guide and a manual as we did in the last one. Nice protective bit of cardboard on the top, and a bag, but this time not a sticker, more of an actual proper like fluffy rope bag type thing, which is quite exciting. A little bit outrageous, some may say. And then we've got whatever in the hell's going on here. There we go, got a little tab at the top. Look at that. So this is our, I mean, not wireless, but effectively wireless, like little charging stand, which it can be popped onto. Got quite a charger there. Quite a nice setup there, actually. Very nicely packaged. A very nice experience, actually. Oh god, that's very heavy. So empty box otherwise, but then we've got in the case a very nice setup going on here. This is a very nice. You can tell that there's money gone into this, because not many speaker unboxings are anything to remember. I know the JBL ones never are, so this is quite exciting. Very nice, proper sock thing. You've got a like a cutout in the back there straight away with a power button, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and a pairing. This is one of the few, well, I'm not sure entirely, but one of the few Sonos speakers I know about which has Bluetooth, because obviously the last time I had a Sonos one, they were all a bit antsy-pantsy about having a Bluetooth speaker because they were under the impression that a Wi-Fi speaker is always better. And while I'm sure they're right, it's nice to see that they've gone for a Bluetooth option as well, because not all of us want to have to connect to it with Wi-Fi. And obviously for a portable speaker, which this is, that literally doesn't work. So you can see the connector on the bottom there for the charger, and a rubber bit on the bottom. A very heavy, like honestly, proper, like surprisingly heavy build, but very nice, very high quality. Again, plasticky, but it doesn't feel cheap. I would prefer some different textures, but it's not what we're getting here, clearly. Got a tap of the power button there. Does that not do anything? Maybe it doesn't have any life in it. Okay, doesn't look like this one has any battery, which is a bit of a shame, but not much we can really do about that. This is just the unboxing anyway, so if you want to see a full review, sound test, and everything this speaker has to offer, drop a like on the video, subscribe, and when it comes out, you'll be alerted.